G'day guys, welcome back to MG Rebuild. Sorry it's been a couple of weeks since my last video. I have been busy. I've also unfortunately got a bit of a serious health issue at the moment, so that will be attended to the next week or so. So I'll be back to full steam after that, hopefully. Now, as per the title or the thumbnail, yes, I told a lie. It was unintentional, but I did. In the last video I said I was actually going to be painting high build primer this time. I didn't. Well, I've already done it. I've sprayed it all. It's basically the same as what I did for the actual bonnet or hood top. And due to our inclement weather we've had here over our summer, I had to just do it when it was possible to do it. So I do apologise for those subscribers that are actually looking forward to seeing me do that. I don't know if anyone would have been, because it's just painting, nothing special. What I have been doing though is sanding everything. Sanding. Funnily enough, I'm not actually sick of sanding at the moment. Perhaps I'm strange, I don't know. But anyway, I've also painted the inside of the body tub. As you can see, I've now painted this black. I've still got to touch up a few spots from where the actual body was sitting on the jig, so I've now moved that forward. I'll be painting those shortly, hence why I've got everything taped up for that. And also, I've got a question for everyone. I've been asking this question on a few forums, Facebook and so forth, and I'm getting different answers. I don't know which one to write. It's the actual to do with the firewall. Come this way. Now, on a T series, on a TD, we know it's always body colour on the outside. But what colour do we paint it on the inside? I've read it where it says to paint it body colour. I've had several people say paint it black. And I really don't know which way I should go with it. I understand both options. Body colour, yes, that looks like it possibly is factory original body colour, but I can understand doing it black because that's what the rest of the colour of the interior is. So drop me your thoughts on that one. I still don't know which way I'm going to go with it, so let me know what you think. Okay, I've got the Colourphane. And this one is actually a 2-to-1 mix. So I'm only going to mix up a very small amount, perhaps 100 mils. Be more than plenty for what I need to do today. Spout on it broke, so I've got to squeeze it in a bit. Don't forget to strain the paint. just pause for a minute so my cameraman can get his mask on as well. Okay. Now there's a vent hole there in the cap. So always make sure that points towards you, otherwise you'll have paint drip out of that and onto your paint job. So I might paint over that side first. This is a difficult one. Okay. That's enough for the first coat. We'll do another couple of coats after that. Let it dry for a few minutes. Okay, I'm only a couple of weeks away from painting the car in colour now, so like I said earlier, I'm doing a lot of sanding. Now, once I've actually put the high build primer on the panels, I sand it down with 320, which I've already done to this panel, this right hand rear guard. Then you do that dry, then you do 800 wet with a guide coat. Now, I don't know if I've spoken about guide coats before. This one is a powder. You can just use just a spray paint, like a cheap black spray paint. And what that will do, once you're sanding, it will actually highlight any imperfections. So it will show you all your scratches you may have left from the 320 grit. So you know, once you've got all those scratches out, you've got a nice smooth surface ready for paint. Now there is one more process after that, and that's using a grey Scotch-Brite. That's a red one, a grey one of those. It's a different grade. So you do that, then you're ready for paint. So we'll do this one now, in 800 wet. It won't take long. And then hopefully in the next episode we'll start building the spray booth. It's actually going to be a temporary one. I got the idea from another YouTube channel called Home Built by Jeff. I'm sure some of you would have already seen his work. He's actually very, very talented, this guy. A bit like me, he has a normal job, but he does this sort of thing when he's home, just like for a hobby sort of thing. He does more than what I do. He actually does have a massive garage, which is great for him, which I had one. He's also got a hoist, but he also does a lot of welding as well, which is something I don't do. I've never learned how to weld, I've never tried. That's something I will be doing later on. But for now, I'm just doing panel work. And I'm very lucky with this MG. There was no real welding to be done. There's a little bit, which Jim did that for me. But other than that, it's just mainly a few bumps, dents here and there I had to knock out, and just a little bit of body filler. And now I'm ready for paint. So anyway, let's go get this sanded down. Now, this is the reason why, actually, so I've just washed it down. If you can see there, that's a part there that I missed. You can see all those little scratches in there. That's from the 320 grit, and that's why you've got guide coat. If I didn't use guide coat, I wouldn't have noticed that. And when I painted it, it would have stood out as a lot of scratches in the actual paint job. So this is why you always use guide coat in this stage. So I've got a little bit more sanding there to do, and this guard will be almost finished to this stage. Okay, as you can see there now, she's nicely sanded down, nice and smooth, and it sort of gives you a bit of an indication of what it's going to look like once it's painted. Now, as you can see, it's a pretty good finish. I'm pretty happy with that. But let's just Scotch Brite now and see how that goes. That's the Scotch Brite there. It's a very, very fine one. Let me get this one wet as well. And this just makes it that much smoother. Now, you can see the bubbles in the liquid. That's just a bit of dishwashing liquid in there, just for a bit of lubrication, so you don't scratch it. yeah, that's all there is to it. Just rinse him off. Now how's that for a finish? All we've got to do now is paint it. And that'll be in a couple of weeks' time. So that'll be it for this week's video. Like I said before earlier, sorry that's taken so long since my last one. It's just one of those things. I don't want to bore you with just sanding. There's no point. Now, next video, I did say be building the spray booth. What I might actually do, there's a big car show on tomorrow, so I might take some footage of that. Can't promise you anything, because we don't know if it's going to rain or not. So it's either going to be the car show next, or building the spray booth. So stay tuned for that one. So anyway, please like and subscribe, and please comment on these videos. And don't forget to answer that question in regards to the inside of the firewall. What colour is it? Is it black, as in satin black, or semi-gloss black, or is it body colour? Be interested to see what people say. So like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget the actual merch. The link is in the description below. And until next time, we'll see you later.